Hey guys, when we were kids, many of us heard the story of the Star of Bethlehem, which led the wise men to the baby Jesus. But was it a miracle, or can we explain it with astronomy? Let's explore the star's possible origins in this episode of What's Up. You've heard the story many times before. When Jesus was born in Bethlehem, a bright star appeared in the sky, heralding his arrival. But what exactly was that star? Is it a comet, a supernova, or maybe divine light? The Bible doesn't actually say. All we know is that it appeared in the east, and that wise men followed it until it shone over the place where the baby Jesus was. Comets were probably not the Star of Bethlehem, because they are notoriously unpredictable. Astronomers can usually predict when and where a comet will appear based on its previous orbit around the sun. But comets don't just suddenly start heading toward Earth. They've been coming and going for billions of years, and will continue to do so for billions more. So while a comet could have been shining in the night sky when Jesus was born, there's no way that it would have been an unannounced visitor. A supernova, however, is a star that suddenly increases in brightness and then fades away over several weeks or months. There are also irregular variable stars, whose brightness changes in an unpredictable manner. In 2013, researchers found a star called V644 Mon that had an outburst 1,500 years ago, shining brightly for about 2 months. Then it returned to its normal brightness. And in 2020, another study suggested that an ancient supernova could have been the Star of Bethlehem. They estimated that the star would have shone brightly for about 6 weeks in the year 07 BC and would have been visible from many places in the eastern Mediterranean. But the favorite explanation among astronomers for the Star of Bethlehem is a nova. A nova is an astronomical event that happens when a white dwarf star is in a binary system with another star. The white dwarf pulls matter off of its stellar partner, and once it has accumulated enough material, it blasts the surrounding dust and gas away, and the light from the explosion briefly outshines the sun. Novas are relatively common. Astronomers have recorded about 2,000 of them since the year 1000. Most of these stars only shine noticeably brighter than the sun for a few days, but some shine brightly for months or even years. So which star was it? You may never know for sure, but we can be certain that whatever star it was real. It might have been a supernova, a nova, or even a comet. But whatever its origin, it remains a reminder of the transcendent moment when Jesus was born. So what do you think? Does the science behind the Star of Bethlehem change how you view it? Let us know your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode of What's Up. All the best, and see you next time.